how to use ClickDesigns. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use ClickDesigns. But first, before I share with you how to use ClickDesigns, I'm going to be showing what you'll get with ClickDesigns when you click through my link down below, which will take you to this page, which is my bonus page for ClickDesigns. And it'll walk you through what you'll learn about ClickDesigns. And it'll also take you through the bonuses, or like the OTOs. And then you'll have an option to click through the bundle deal if you want to save a little bit on extra from getting the funnel. And here are my bonuses for ClickDesigns. Bonus number 1, you get 5 W funnels. Bonus number 2, since this is a software product that's actually good with PLR, and you can use this to rebrand your PLR resellers and from this 1 year's of free Surefire Wealth membership. And then you'll know how to create a membership through membership goals. And then in this bonus, you'll know how to use this ClickDesigns software for Fiverr, so you can actually learn how to use Fiverr to use ClickDesigns with and make money from it. Not a lot of people have this kind of bonus right here. This is exclusive to me and me alone. And then you'll learn how to market your PLR. Also, you get email templates for mock-up service designs. Again, not a lot of people will give you email templates to help you sell this service, which is priceless in my opinion. And then now you'll learn how to rebrand PLR, which is also important if you want to resell PLR to make money, becoming a PLR reseller. And then you'll also get over 100 headline and subject lines that convert. And then, again, this is an exclusive bonus that you'll not get anywhere else. It's called Software Buyers Club, which you can resell software as a reseller. And then here's where you can find your affiliate bonuses, which will be under the purchase checkout link in your JVZoo account. You'll find a blue button. That is my ClickDesigns bonus page, which you can find in the link down below. Okay, so here is my ClickDesigns dashboard. By the way, this is not an affiliate or JV account. I actually have this ClickDesigns account. I bought it myself. And you can do a lot of things with this tool. Like, I've used this for my software, or not software, but products that I sell on Gumroad. And this is what I've created. I used the funnel headline tool part to how do you call it? Create the funnel things that convert better. And then I used it to create a logo or two. And here, I'll show you all my designs really quick. I've used it to create rebranded designs for my own products, like done for you affiliate marketing newsletters and email marketing 101. And just using it to make the product stand out more. And also, I've used it to create my valuable affiliate email kit box shots for my product. Okay, here's what you can do on Extra. Custom graphics. You can also create logos, as you saw with the one of my products right here that I haven't launched yet. And you can create box shots, of course, which you can use Canva, but this makes the process a whole lot easier, in my opinion, than I found from using Canva, the box shots tool there. And then the covers, you can create cover mock shots, which is pretty cool. You can create sheets, devices, bundles, product bundles, which you could actually make the product more valuable and make more money through that. You can do illustrations and annotations and backgrounds, and then create funnel images like the one that you saw right here. And then you can add marketing images like the devices right here. And then you can create YouTube thumbnails, which is pretty cool. But I believe that's an upsell. And this is a new one, so I don't have this one yet. And okay, so here are the templates. You could create images like posting images for Fiverr, for your listing images for your services, which is pretty cool. Create funnel images for your landing pages or sales pages. All kinds of cool images for your product or services that you are providing with ClickDesigns. All kinds of cool stuff. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to share with you how to easily create a box shot with ClickDesigns. You can start from scratch or start from a template, depending on what niche you're in. Let's see, I'm going to pick a template just for the purpose of this video. There's a lot of templates in here, which is amazing. You could probably get lost in here. I'll just use this one, for example. Marketing. It's slightly slow. So I'll use this semi as is, but just gonna do some simple editing. Just click here or here if you want to edit this side after this editing this side. You can upload your own image, which is pretty cool. And then we're just gonna edit this really quick. Wait for it to pop up for a second. Still loading. I will be cutting this part of the video out. I'll just pause this. Okay, here we go. We are back. That took a minute for it to load, so I'm just gonna simply edit this. Marketing. Block. I can't spell right now. Academy. Academy, and what you can do is you can also do all sorts of things, like on this side you can remove that and just squinch it down like this. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. Gonna save and exit, go this side, and okay, we are back, just waiting for it to load. Let's see. It's a little wonky looking at it at this angle, to be honest with you. Marketing. Kidding. Delete this. Go right here. Academy. Probably spelled that wrong, but I don't care right now, so just save time on this demo, save and exit. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'll be editing that further later on. But that's basically what the box shot is going to look like when you're done with it. When you can just simply edit your PLR if you have PLR, and then resell it, which makes it look a lot better and more professional, which can sell more at a higher price too. And hit save. And then wait for it to load. You can also export it and go back to your designs. And all your designs will be in My Designs. Here's the design I just created. Create cool looking desktop designs like I just did for my affiliate marketing email kit. And you can just do a lot of cool things with it. The thumbnail tool is actually a separate tool that in itself. So if you want to check that out on your own time, you can. Here are the latest logos. They actually look pretty cool. These are just extra templates, the one that are in the locked section for the premium. And this is ClickDesigns in a nutshell, that you can just create awesome digital box shots and product designs in general for your services or for your own products that you created personally, or if you're using it to become a reseller for software or PLR, which is really cool. And I give you a whole lot of bonuses for this. Software in itself, you get 5 done for you funnels. You get access to a year's worth of PLR. You get to learn how to create a membership. You get to learn also to sell on Fiverr. That's exclusive. And then these 2 exclusive bonuses will teach you to learn how to market your PLR, and also the email templates to help you sell your mock-up services. You can't find that anywhere else. More information about this tool is linked down in the description below. Again, you have the option to go to the bundle deal page or the regular commercial pro front end page right here. Okay, Living Marketing, I will see you all in the next video.